If you've decided to delete your Pinterest account permanently, follow these simple steps to ensure your account is removed completely. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Pinterest website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're accessing the account you want to delete. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Find Account Management. In the Settings menu, scroll down to find the Account Management section. This is where you can manage your account settings, including deletion. Step 4. Select Deactivate Account. In the Account Management section, look for the option to deactivate account. Click on it to begin the process of deactivation, which is a precursor to permanent deletion. Step 5. Confirm deletion. Follow the prompts to confirm your decision to delete your account. You may need to enter your password again for security purposes. Once confirmed, your account will be scheduled for permanent deletion. After completing these steps, your Pinterest account will be permanently deleted. Remember that this action cannot be undone and all your data will be lost.